ஹலோ நண்பர்களே, வெல்கம் டு ஃபேக்ஸ் தோழா.
Quiz.
Who is known as the Prince of Patriots?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Who called Subhash Chandra Bose as Patriot of Patriots?
M.K. Gandhi.
Who is known as Gurudev?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who is known as Kerala Gandhi?
Koyapalli Kelappan.
Who is known as the Prince of Beggars?
Madan Mohan Malviya.
Who is known as Father of Indian Unrest?
Balagangadhara Tilak. British author Sir Valentine Chirrell gave the title Father of Indian Unrest to Balagangadhara Tilak.
நன்றி. மேலும் இது போன்ற பல சுவாரஸ்யமான பதிவுகளுக்கு ஃபேக்ஸ் தோழாவை தொடர்ந்து பாருங்கள்.